If you are new to programming, you must be thinking that learning to code is very difficult. Well, it is certainly not. Any programming problem consists of just 4 steps. In this video, we will address each step in detail. The first step is to include or import all essential libraries. In Python programming, a library is often referred to as a module. The second step is to take inputs from the user. For that we have scanf keyword in C programming. System.in for Java and input in case of Python. The third step is output. Essentially to a window or console. We have puts and printf in C. System.out for Java and print in Python to serve this purpose. The fourth and final step is to create the logic that joins the input to the output. We will see these 4 steps in the following videos. This was a theory class and the next session would be a practical exercise. Hope you liked this video. Thank you.